Hi, good day, this is Simon from my Gard, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add sounds behind your clicks while using BuddyWatch or BuddySecure. So let's activate the screen on the side and swipe to Settings menu. Click on Settings, scroll all the way to the bottom, click on More and click on Click Sound. Once you're in the menu you have a couple of different options in here. So okay, this sounds like a water droplet. So we'll go back. So every time you click on any menu items, you'll hear that sound. And again, as in any of the previous videos that have comes to sounds and screen brightness and volume, having it turned off will conserve your battery and help you use it for locating the person rather than having these cool sounds activated, but the choice is yours. The option is there. Thank you very much. Have a great day.